Well, it's happened to all of us. We hop in the car, start the car, and these warning lights pop up on our dashboard. We have no idea what the problem is, nor how to fix them. That's why I got my man Randy from UNOH to help me out on how to determine how to fix these things. But with this apparatus, right?
Yes, absolutely, Kenny. So this is an OBD2 scanner. You're going to use this to plug into your vehicle and look up those OBD2 codes that are causing those troubling lights on your dash. So after you've looked them up, you can go online and take a look to see what may be causing the issues with your vehicle.
Why don't we get started?
Let's do it.
Now, locate the OBD2 port. It's usually located beneath the dashboard near the driver's seat. Some common spots include under the steering column or behind a panel. Now, plug in your reader. Simply insert the connector into the port until it clicks securely in place. Turn on your car's ignition without starting the engine. This will power up the reader. Most OBD2 readers have a read codes or scan button. Press it, and the reader will communicate with your vehicle's computer to retrieve troubled codes. Write down or take a picture of the codes displayed on the reader screen. You can then look up these codes online to understand the issue. You can use the clear codes function if you fix the issue or if you want to see if it reoccurs. That's it. You successfully used an OBD2 reader to diagnose your car. It's a handy tool for identifying problems that can save you time and money with your mechanic.